Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you the Archer and Olive March 2025 Quarterly Stationery Subscription Box. The theme for this quarter is called Nature's Curiosities. I personally was a fan of most of the items. The only items I probably will not keep are the colored pencils, wax seal set, and nature stickers. I like that there was a little something for everyone and that they were able to experiment with a few more different types of items that we haven't received in previous boxes. If you have any questions about any of the items, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, please enjoy this stationery unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this stationery unboxing. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to keep seeing my videos, be sure to also subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, goodbye.